Oh, I wanted to go up. Gee, I can come back here later, right? I'm just playing with the camera. I feel like this camera is better. This way? Yeah, this is fine. Honestly, this is fine. Let's keep going. Maybe. Hang on. Let me try. Let me try inverted. Horizontal, right? Excuse me. Yeah, actually, I think this is better for me. Sorry. Yeah, we're stealthing. This is the same controls so far. I have my sword. Master sword. Up, up. Let's still do that. If this is the master sword with full health, doesn't it do this thing? It does. Neat, neat, neat. Wow, this really is just a continuation. Sequel directly to Breath of the Wild. Let's talk to her. Yeah, I did max out my health in the last game. The Shoki. Why does she talk like that, even in Japanese? Why does she talk like that? I like it though. Link. It's because she's a princess. That's why she sounds so... I don't know what it is. I know she sounds constipated a little bit. Yeah, so breathy.